So can you tell me what that piece is again? What is that piece?
It's off the wing of an F-106 airplane that I was working on.
Oh. What part of it?
The control surfaces.
Oh. And you worked on that at NASA?
Yeah,
Ah.
it's the only actual aircraft I actually worked on.
Oh. Was anything else in there something that you worked on, or
Well, no, these are just meters, you know,
meters?
different kinds of things. That's the only piece that I think is still here.
Uh-huh.
The only thing, oh, I know what's still here. Ah. Where did I put them? Ha. There's a bunch of turbine blades
Oh, turbine blades.
that were in these shells. I don't know where they ended up.
What were they from?
They were from actually a big turbine engine that they threw them out. You know, they were damaged, I guess.
Uh-huh.
I don't see them.
What-
On these shells.
What about this big piece back here again? Can you remind me
What's that?
what this big
Oh, that
steel?
that was off of an airplane inlet that we had, an engine inlet that we had in the big wind tunnel up there.
Ah.
And they were going to toss it, and I said, well, this would probably be something interesting. We could put it in the ground and plant flowers in it. It's
Right.
hollow.
You're gonna turn it upside down.
And we forgot all about it.
Yeah. It's like 50 pounds or something.
Yeah, about 50 pounds.